In today's video, we're going to be changing our elevation units for the altimeter on our Garmin Forerunner 955 watch, but instead of doing it on the watch, we're going to do it through the Garmin Connect app on our cell phone. So this is very simple. This also will work if you've got other devices other than the 955 that allow you to make your changes on the app. We're going to simply go into the Garmin Connect app. It doesn't matter whether you're an Apple or an Android user. This should work for all of you because the app's going to be pretty much laid out the same way. At the bottom right corner, there's a section that says More and has a 3-dot logo. We're going to simply click on that. And then once we get into More, we're going to swipe towards the bottom until we see Garmin devices. You're going to click Garmin devices, and then you should see all the Garmin devices that you have connected to your Garmin Connect account. You can have multiple devices listed here. In my example, I only have the Forerunner 955 Solar. You're going to click on the device that you want to make changes for. Then once we get into the device, you're basically following the same navigation that we would be following if we were on our watch making these changes. So in this video, we want to change the elevation units. We're going to swipe down to System. Under System, again, we're going to go down to Format. And then under Format, what we're looking for is Units. You're going to simply click on Units, and you're going to see all the different units of measurement that are displayed currently on your watch. So you can see, for example, I could change my distance, my pace. The one that we're interested in this video is elevation. If I simply click on elevation, my elevation is currently in meters. I want to change it to feet. I simply change it. Once you've got it changed the way you want, you can simply click the back button. And then all we need to do is sync the changes to our watch. Now, if we get on our watch, we should have changed our elevation units for our altimeter. And we did it all with Garmin Connect without touching the watch at all. Pretty simple stuff as always. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.